What we discussed in the previous session?
Ma'am, up to PDA to CFG conversion.
What we discussed in the previous session, ma? We have seen DPDA and NPDA. In this session, we will discuss about closure properties of CFL. In this we will discuss about closure properties. CFL is closed under union. CFL is closed under concatenation. And CFL is closed under where we have seen these three. These we have seen
Regular
as the
expression.
regular operators. Right? CFL is closed under union, concatenation, and clean closure. Now we'll see what is union. How can we say that it is closed under union? What is concatenation? How can we say that it is closed under concatenation, and so on. Assume the language L1 A power n, B power n greater than or equals to 1. Is it CFL or not? Is it CFL or not? Please respond. Is it contest free language? Is it contest free language? ఏమ్మా ఇప్పుడు దాకా మనం చూసింది ఇదే కదా. పుష్ డౌన్ ఆటోమేటిక్ కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేయగలమా లేదా దీనికి? Yes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is a contest free language. Next L2 I am assuming C power m, D power m. M greater than or equals to 1. Is it CFL or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is CFL. Now we are performing the union operation. L1 union L2. L1 union means which is R. R means A power n, B power n, or C power m, D power m. Any one of them is you have to prove. Any one of them you can take. This you can explain through very easily through grammars. For example, A power n, B power n means the grammar is S tends to A, S, B or epsilon. Next, same L2 I'm considering, this is I'm assuming S1, L1 I'm assuming S1. The grammar S2 is C, S2, D and epsilon. So S is nothing but I'm combining these two. I'm applying union operation. S1 or S2. Can I construct like this? Yes, of course. It is a contest free language. It is a contest free language. It is a contest free language. How can we say that it is a contest free language? Contest free language is nothing but A to alpha, where A belongs to variables and alpha belongs to variable plus terminal whole star. Yes, that is in the form only. So we can say that the CFL is closed under union. Any doubt regarding this?
Ma'am, can you repeat the last statement that you told?
Which one?
Ma'am, you said S1 and S2 we can create. We can create a PDA.
Yes,
Then
S2, S1 or S2 means this is L1, this is L2. Either you can construct the PDA for L1 or L2. Union means simply it is R, right?
yes, ma'am.
We can able to construct, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Next thing. Next is the language is closed under concatenation. What does it mean? L1 concatenation with L2. For example, same I am considering L1 is equals to A parent, B parent, where n greater than or equals to 1. L2 is equals to C power m, D power n, where n greater than or equals to 1. Altogether, if you apply the concatenation, L1 concatenation L2 means simply the language will become A parent, B parent, C parent, D parent. Can we able to construct the PDA for this m comma n greater than or equals to 1? Can we able to construct the PDA? Think చేయండి PDA అంటే using stack. What are the operations possible? ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏముంది language A power n, B power n, C power m, D power n. Somebody has answered. I'm expecting. Yes, Nalini,
ma'am.
very good. Yes, we can construct. This is push. This is pop. Again, it is push. Within the single stack only we can perform. So it is, we can able to construct the PDA for this. This is nothing but the concatenation. Clear? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
So moving forward, the next one is clean closure. Obviously, clean closure is closed under because simply L1 is equals to A power and B power and itself means which is a closure. Suppose n greater than or equals to 0 means n may come n number of times. Itself is a closure. So for this language, obviously we can construct the CFL. So clean closure is closed under CFL. Next. CFL is not closed under. CFL is not closed under intersection. Why it is not closed under intersection? I have explained you in the last session itself. Intersection means the languages will become A parent, B parent, C parent, D parent. Can we able to construct the PDA for this? This is push, this is pop. What about these two? We cannot do anything because all are n. N means CFL can able to count only one time. It cannot able to count more than one time. So it is not closed under intersection, and it is not closed under complement. And the CFL is not closed under complement. Why it is not closed under complement? Because, for example, consider the language L1 is equals to A parent, B parent. A parent, B parent means it is simply AB or AABB, like that we will get. Suppose, is this language can able to L1 complement? Is this language can able to accept BA? BA ni language accept chesidamma?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. So it is not closed under complement. This is the basic closure properties of the CFL. Can anyone tell me what the CFL closed under, what it does not closed under? Cheppanamma, em discuss chesam.
Ma'am, CFL is closed under union, concatenation, and clean closure, ma'am. And it is not closed under intersection and complement.
Okay. Am I clear the closure properties? Am I audible, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will move on to the next concept, that is CYK algorithm. Next concept is or you may call it as membership algorithm. CYK algorithm or membership algorithm. What CYK means? It's three scientists names first letter. Okay. What is membership algorithm? Here what we are going to do is we are going to check whether the string belongs to the CFL or not. Whether the string belongs to the CFL or not. We are going to find whether the string belongs to CFL or not, which means the string is a member of the context-free language or not. That's why they have given the name as membership algorithm, which is very, very important algorithm. Observe carefully. If you understand one problem, it will be easy for you to understand you can able to do the remaining things. I'm considering S tends to AB. Okay. Next, A tends to BB or A, and B tends to AB or B. And I'm going to check whether the string AABB is valid or is a member of this context-free language or not. Before going to the membership algorithm, the first property you have to check is whether it is in CNF format or not. If it is in CNF format, then only we can able to proceed further. Okay. If it is in CNF format, then only we can able to proceed further. Now, what is CNF? Do you remember, ma? Chomsky normal form? Suppose A2 alpha is there, means what alpha? It may be two variables or it may be a terminal. This is the thing you have to follow. First, we'll check whether the given grammar is in CNF format or not. Is it in CNF?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it? Yes.
Yes,
Two
ma'am.
variables or one terminal. So all are in CNF. So we can directly take this. So nenu ippu inkokasari note chestunamma. S tends to simple ga AB, A tends to BB or A. Next, B tends to AB or B. And what is the string they asked you to check? The string is AABB. The given string is AABB. Now, how can we do this? Observe carefully. What is the length of the string? Here, the length of the string is 4. So, diagram ela draw cheyalo chudandi. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Why I have drawn like this means it is easy to remember. 1, 1 diagonal, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Ekkada stop cheyali anedi manaki clarity untundi. See, each textbook will represent the diagram with different ways, but I am using this way. But ultimately answer is same, but the way of representing the diagram may be different. I am choosing this because it is easy for me to remember the diagonal points. Okay, now what you have to do is, what is the string AABB? First A. Who is generating A? Who is generating A? A ni manaki ever generate chestunaru?
Yes.
A ni, only A ni, small A ni manaki ever generate chestunaru?
Capital A.
Capital A is generating small a. So it is, I'm representing this 1, 1 with capital A. Next, again A ni ever represent chestunaru?
Capital A.
Capital A. Next, small b ni ever represent chestunaru manaki?
Capital B.
Capital B. Next, again small b is?
Capital B.
Any confusion here? Any confusion here?
No, ma'am.
No, right? So I'm moving forward. Next, this one is nothing but 1, 2. How can we write this 1, 2 means we can write it like 1, 1, 2, 2. 1, 1, 2, 2 means 1, 1 means it is simply, okay, ma, this also I'm considering, తర్వాత ఈ పార్ట్కి వెళ్దాం. ఏంటిది? This also I'm considering B. So ఈ పార్ట్ కూడా మనం B తోనే రిప్లేస్ చేద్దాం. Okay, 1, 1, 2, 2. What is your 1, 1? 1, 1 is A and 2, 2 is B. 1, 1 is A and 2, 2 is B. So AB, who is representing AB? In the given grammar, who is representing AB?
Yes, starting.
Yes. ఇంకేమైనా ఉన్నాయా చూడండి. B
also, ma'am.
B also, right? So S comma B. Am I clear with this? How I get S comma B? Once again, next part here, 2, 3. 2, 3 అంటే మనం ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? 2, 2, 3, 3. What is 2, 2? 2, 2 is nothing but B. 3, 3 is nothing but again B. BB means who is representing BB?
Capital A.
Capital A. So I'm replacing it with capital A. Next 3, 4. 3, 4, how can I write? 3, 3, 4, 4. What is 3, 3? Which is
B.
B.
Capital
What
B.
is 4, 4? B.
Capital
B
B.
means it is simply capital A. Next 1, 3. Observe carefully, ma, this part. 1, 3 means, ఇప్పుడు ఈ 1, 3 కి మధ్యలో ఎవరున్నారు? We are having 2 and between 1 and 3. So we can write it like 1, 2, 3, 3. Or we can write it like 1, 1, 2, 3. So if we follow this one, 1, 2, 3, 3. First, what is 1, 2? 1, 2 is S comma B. 3, 3 means it is B. S comma B, B means how can we write SB or BB? Do you have any SB in the grammar? Do you have any SB in the grammar? Say yes or no.
No, ma'am.
No means represent it with 5. Next, BB. Do you have BB in your grammar?
Yes, ma'am.
What
Capital
it is? Capital A. So 5 comma capital A means we can represent this with capital A, and we'll check with the remaining things also. 1, 1. 1, 1 means which is A. 2, 3. 2, 3 means which is again A. Is anybody representing A? No, no means it is simply 5. 5 means here we can replace it with A. Am I clear with this? One more thing, ఇది కూడా చూడండి, ఇంకా డౌట్ ఉంటే మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. 2, 4, who is in between? 2, 4, 3 is in between. I can write it like 2, 3, 4, or I can write it like 2, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3 is nothing but A and 4, 4 is nothing but B. Next, 2, 2 is nothing but B and 3, 4 is A. AB, who is representing AB? S and B. Who is representing BA? No one. So 5. So what you got here? S comma B. Any confusion up to this point?
Ma'am, can I? Sorry. Ma'am, can I even write 2, 2 and 4, 4, ma'am?
2, 2 and 4, 4. What about 3? See, 2 ki 4 ki 3 undi kada madhyalo, andukane 2 combinations consider chestunnanu.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next thing is 1, 4. 1, 4 means who is in between 1, 4? 2 undi, inka 3 undi. So how can you write this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Or else you can write it like 1, 1, 2, 4. Or you can write it like 1, 3, 4, 4. These are the 3 combinations that are possible. 1, 2. What is 1, 2? 1, 2 is S comma B. What is 3, 4? 3, 4 is A. Do you have any SA? No. Do you have any BA? No. So simply it is 5. Next 1, 1. 1, 1 is A and 2, 4. 2, 4 is S comma B. Do you have any AS? No. Do you have any AB? Yes. What it is? S comma B. 2 things are representing, 2 variables are representing AB, S comma B. Next, what is 1, 3? 1, 3 is A. What is 4, 4? 4, 4 is B. Simply it is AB. Again, AB represents S comma B. Same thing. Now, this construction of this table is over. What about the string validation? Is it valid or not? Yes, it is valid. How can you say that it is valid? After completion, at the top of the box at 1-4, if you see the starting symbol, then it is accepted. If you did not get the starting symbol S over there, means it is not accepted. It is not a valid string. Am I clear with this, ma'am? Am I clear with this? Please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll give you one question. You people, please solve it. The question is x to xy, x to sy, x to a or bb, y to aa. This is the thing given to you. You have to solve it. And the string is ABBAA. ఈ స్ట్రింగ్ యాక్సెప్ట్ అవుతుందో లేదో మీరు చెక్ చేసి నాకు చెప్పండి. Will you do it? At least will you try it? I'm expecting the response from each and everyone. Will you try? (31, 33, 34?
Yes, ma'am.
Rishita, what about you?
Yes, ma'am, I'll try.
Okay. First, have you converted this into CNF, ma? Completed up to that point? Rishita, Sheshu, Nalini, Immalne. Shall I explain? Nothing wrong in that. Shall I explain?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Observe carefully. First, we have to ink a doubt in all student. we have to arrange this in CNF format first. Precondition is the grammar should be in the CNF format. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is, but not here. So we have to convert that. How can we do that? Can I write B tends to B and can I replace it with BB?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next, AA is also not in the CNF format, but X is generating A. Can I write here XX?
Yes, ma'am.
So altogether, what is the final grammar I got? XY, X tends to SY, or this is also X tends to only A or BB. Next, Y tends to XX and B tends to B. Anybody having doubt up to this point?
It's clear, ma'am.
It's clear, right? Now, here length is 5. So, ఎన్ని వస్తాయి ఇక్కడ మనకి boxes 5 వస్తాయి. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. First A. A, B, 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 A. A means who is producing A here?
X, ma'am.
X. Who is producing B here?
Again X.
Again X. Only B, ma. Small B never
Only B,
produced.
capital B.
Capital B. Here.
B, capital B.
Next A. Who is producing A?
X and X.
X and X. Very good. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ వరకు ఎవరికి డౌట్ లేదు కదమ్మా? రిషిత, నళిని వింటున్నారా? నళిని ఉన్నావా?
మ్యామ్ ఇంతకు ముందు దాంట్లో ఏబిబి రాసినప్పుడు దాని తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ ఏని రిప్లేస్ చేశాం కదా మ్యామ్ బితో.
ఏం నేను ఎక్కడ రిప్లేస్ చేశానమ్మా?
ఇంతకు ముందుకు మ్యామ్
జస్ట్ నేను స్ట్రింగ్ నే చేంజ్ చేస్తాను. స్ట్రింగ్ ఏ బి అనుకోండి అని చెప్పి బి ఇచ్చాను, నేను రిప్లేస్ చేయలేదు. ఓకేనా? నేనేం రిప్లేస్ చేయలేదమ్మా. స్ట్రింగ్ ఏ కాదు ఏబిబి అన్నా.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
ఓకే. నౌ నెక్స్ట్ ఈస్ 1 2 1 2 అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ సింప్లీ 1 1 2 2. 1 1 2 2 అంటే 1 1 అంటే ఎంత? ఎక్స్. 2 2 అంటే ఎంత? బి. ఎక్స్ బి ఎవరన్నా ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తున్నారా మీకు ఇక్కడ గ్రామర్ లో?
నో మ్యామ్.
No one. No one means simply replace it with 5. Next 2 3. 2 3 means 2 2 3 3. 2 2 2 3 3 means 2 2 is 5. Sorry, 2 2 అంటే B కదా, B, and 3 3 is also B. B ని ఎవరైనా ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తున్నారా?
Yes ma'am, capital
ఎవరు? X. Next 3 4. 3 3 4 4. 3 3 4 4 means 3 3 is B, 4 4 is X. BX ని ఎవరైనా ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తున్నారా?
no one.
No one. So 5. Next 4 5. 4 5 means 4 4 5 5. Is anybody generate? Sorry, 4 4 means which is X. 5 5 means X. Is anybody generating XX?
Yes ma'am, Y.
Is that
Capital Y.
Y? Next 1 3. 1 3 means in between 2 is there, no? So the combinations are 1 2 3 3 or 1 1 2 3. 1 2. 1 2 is 5. What is 3 3, which is B? Next 1 1. What is 1 1? 1 1 is X. 2 3. 2 3 is X. B ni produce చేసే వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా? సింగిల్ B ని, capital B. No one. So it is 5. XX means who is generating XX?
Capital Y.
Capital Y. So here I am replacing capital Y. Next same as like the 2 4. 2 4 means it is simply like 2 2 3 4 or 2 3 4 4. If it is 2 2, 2 2 means B. 3 4, 3 4 means which is 5. No one is producing B5, B, only B. So it is 5. 2 3, 2 3 means it is X. 4 4 means it is again X. Who is producing XX?
Capital Y.
Capital Y. So replace it with capital Y. I am erasing here itself, ma. Okay, observe here 1 4. 1 4 means who is in between 1 4? Sorry ma, inka ikkada manaki idu undi kada 3 5 undi kada 3 5 avala. 3 5 means who is in between 4. So 3 4 5 5 or 3 5 sorry 3 3 4 5. 3 4 means 3 4 is 5, 5 5 is x. Is anybody generating only x? No one. So it is simply 5. Next 3 3. 3 3 means it is b. 4 5. 4 5 means it is x. Is anybody generating bx? Bx ekkadanna unda manaki?
No, ma'am.
No. So simply it is 5. Now we'll move on here. 1 4. 1 4 means who is in between? 2 3 is there. So you can write 1 2 3 4 or you can write it like 1 1 2 4 or you can write it like 1 2 3 sorry 1 2 sorry 1 3 4 4. 1 2 3 4 means who is 1 2? 5. Who is 3 4? Which is 5. Altogether it is 5 only. Next 1 1. 1 1 is x. 2 4. 2 4 is y. Who is producing xy?
Capital S.
Capital S. Ikkada emana ostademo chuddam. X okati inkedana possibility unda. 1 3. Who is producing? What is it? 1 3 y. 4 4. 4 4 is x. Y x ekkadana unda ma manaki?
No, ma'am.
No. So simply it is x only. Next 2 5. 2 5 means who is in between? 3 4 in between. So 2 3 4 5 is one combination. 2 2 3 5 is another combination. 2 4 5 5 is another combination. 2 3. What is 2 3? 2 3 is x and 4 5. 4 5 is y. xy. Who is producing xy? It is s. 2 2. What is 2 2? 2 2 is b and 3 5. 3 5 is 5. So no one is producing only b. Next 2 4. 2 4 is y. 5 5 is x. No one is producing yx. So we got s only. Here it is replaced with s. Next 1 5 ఒకటి ఉందమ్మా జాగ్రత్త చూడండి ఇక్కడ 1 5. 1 5 means 2 is there, 3 is there and 4 is there. How can we write this? 1 2 3 5 or 1 3 4 5 or 1 1 2 5 or 1 4 5 5. These are the four combinations. 1 2 3 5. 1 2 3 5 means 1 2 is 5, 3 5 is again 5. So it is 5 only. Next 1 3. 1 3 is y. 4 5. 4 5 is y. Y y. No one is producing y y. Next 1 1. 1 1 is x. 2 5. 2 5 is yes. No one is producing xs. So it is also 5. 1 4. 1 4 is s. 5 5 is x. sx. No one is producing xs. So it is 5. So is this valid or invalid?
Invalid, ma'am.
ఎందుకు మనకి ఇక్కడ స్టార్టింగ్ సింబల్ రాలేదు కాబట్టి we can call it as invalid string. I think I'm clear with this, right?
మ్యామ్ మ్యామ్ ఇందాక క్వశ్చన్ లో వి గోట్ ఎస్ కామా బి మ్యామ్. ఇప్పుడు అలా వచ్చినా లేకపోతే డైరెక్ట్ గా ఇప్పుడు మనకు ఫస్ట్ లో ఎస్ వచ్చినా బోత్ ఆర్ వాలిడ్ స్ట్రింగ్స్ మ్యామ్.
Yes, s or b means s ఉంది కదా, so it is valid string.
So it can be a single s or another variable.
Yes.
Okay ma'am.
ఇక్కడ కూడా ఇది సింగిల్ అమ్మా, either s or b. Don't consider it like sb అని కాదు మీనింగ్. సింగిల్ s or సింగిల్ b.
Yes ma'am.
I think I'm clear with this CYK algorithm, which is very important. Am I clear with this? Shall I give one example? At least will you try now? Try chestara inko example ivvana. Please respond ma. Endukante idi important. Ma'am, how did we take combinations in 1 5? Adena nee question Nalini? Okay, combinations ఎలా తీసుకునేది ఏం లేదమ్మా, జనరల్ థింగే. ఇప్పుడు నేను 1 5 అన్నాను. 1 5 అంటే మధ్యలో ఎన్ని లెటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి మనకి? 2 ఉంది, 3 ఉంది, 4 ఉంది. సో ఫస్ట్ ఏంటి 1 2 ని కంబైన్ చేయు, నెక్స్ట్ రిమైనింగ్ అన్నిటిని కంబైన్ చేయు. 3 5 ఇది ఒక పాసిబిలిటీ ఉంది. లేదంటే ఫస్ట్ 1 1 ఒక్కదాన్ని తీసుకుని రిమైనింగ్ అన్ని వదిలేసాయి. అండ్ లాస్ట్ ఒక్కదాన్ని తీసుకొని రిమైనింగ్ ముందు అన్ని వదిలేసి ఇది ఇంకొక కాంబినేషన్. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ 2 కంబైన్ చేసావు, ఇక్కడ 1 కంబైన్ చేసావు. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ 2 కంబైన్ చేయి, 1 3 4 5. ఇస్ దర్ ఎనీ అదర్ పాసిబిలిటీ? 1 4 అలా తీసుకున్నాం కదా, అంటే ఫస్ట్ సింగిల్ లెటర్ వి తీసుకోండి. సింగిల్ లెటర్ అంటే ఇక్కడ 1 1 4 5 సారీ 2 5, ఇంకో సింగిల్ లెటర్ ఏమొస్తుంది 1 4 5 5. ఇవి సింగిల్ కాంబినేషన్స్ అయిపోయినాయి. నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ 2 ఉండే కాంబినేషన్స్ చూడండి. ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ 2 ఉండే కాంబినేషన్స్ ఏమున్నాయి? 1 3 4 5. ఇక్కడ 2 కూడా లేదు, ఇక్కడ ఒక్కటే 2 పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది. ఇంకేదైనా ఉందా? 1 2 3 5 అంటే ఇక్కడ 2 కాంబినేషన్స్ ఇది పాసిబుల్ అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ 3 ఉండే కాంబినేషన్, 3 ఉండే కాంబినేషన్ ఏమొచ్చేసింది ఆల్రెడీ? ఇక్కడ 3 ఉండే కాంబినేషన్ వచ్చేసింది. 4 ఉండే కాంబినేషన్ ఆల్రెడీ గివెన్ వన్ ఈజ్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ 4. ఇంకేమైనా పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఉన్నాయా అంటే ఇంకేం లేదు. అర్థమైందమ్మా నళిని? అంటే ఫస్ట్ 1 1 లెటర్ అంటే ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ ఏది ఉండకూడదు, అలా ఒకటి కన్సిడర్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ 2 లెటర్స్ ఉండేవి ఎన్ని పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి, 3 లెటర్స్ ఉండేవి ఎన్ని పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి, 4 లెటర్స్ అలా చెక్ చేసుకోవడమే అంతే. జనరల్ గా ఇంకొక బ్లైండ్ ఏంటంటే, బ్లైండ్ గా గుర్తుపెట్టుకునేది ఏంటంటే, ఇప్పుడు 1 2 5 అంటే మధ్యలో 4 మధ్యలో 3 లెటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి 1 2 5 ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ అంటే 4 వస్తుంది. 1 2 4 అంటే ఏంటి? జస్ట్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ 3 వస్తుంది. అంటే ఇక్కడ 3 ఉన్నాయంటే ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ 3 + 1 వస్తుంది. ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ 2 ఉన్నాయంటే 2 + 1 వస్తుంది. అలా వస్తుంది జనరల్ గా మనకి. నళిని క్లియరా? దీనికి ఒక స్పెసిఫైడ్ ఫార్ములా ఏం లేదు. ఇట్స్ లైక్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ ప్రాబబిలిటీ. మనం థింక్ చేసి జనరలైజ్డ్ గా రాయడమే. దీనికంటూ ఫార్ములాస్ ఏం లేవు. ఓకే మా, వన్ సింపుల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐ విల్ గివ్. See this example. S tends to capital AB or BC. A tends to PA or A. CC or B. B tends to C tends to AB or A. String simply I'm giving is AB. Only 3 string. Simple problem. Solve chestaramma? Please do it. Please do it. Done, ma'am. At least are you doing? Sheshu.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed, ma'am. Nalini చేసావమ్మా? శేషు, రిచిత
మ్యామ్
చేసావా శేషు?
మ్యామ్ ఇప్పుడు ఏ క్యాపిటల్ ఏ వేరియబుల్ టర్మినల్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్ అండ్ క్యాపిటల్ సి ఆల్సో రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాం కదా మ్యామ్. సో క్యాపిటల్ ఏ సి రెండు తీసుకోవచ్చా మ్యామ్ ఇప్పుడు?
ఎస్, రెండిట్లో ఏదైనా స్టార్టింగ్ ఉందా? స్టార్టింగ్ సింబల్ ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? ఎస్.
Capital A.
ఎస్ వచ్చిందా నీకు? ఇనిషియల్ గా రాలేదు, సో ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఎ వాల్యూ. అర్థమైందా శేషు?
లేదు మ్యామ్, ఇప్పుడు స్ట్రింగ్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్ దాంట్లో ఏ బి ఇచ్చినారు కదా మ్యామ్. అప్పుడు క్యాపిటల్ ఏ రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తుంది ప్లస్
రెండు తీసుకోవాలి. నువ్వు రెండు తీసుకుంటావు, ఏ కామా సి అని. అదేగా నీ డౌట్?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
ఏ కామా సి రెండు తీసుకోవాలి. Still, if you have any doubt or still if you have any confusion regarding this, we'll see this example in the next session too. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, ending the session.